guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed, and she's very silky, you guys. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is Blackmoon Hair. This is a 28-inch frontal wig in 13x4. It is an HD lace.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
Okay guys, prior to this, I did bleach the knots and I shampooed, conditioned the hair, let it air dry. Actually, no, I'm lying. I did not let it air dry. I actually blow dried this wig the same day. So this day that I'm putting it on was the day that I received it in the mail. And if you guys are wondering about like shipping for these units, usually it takes about a week or so to get to me in Canada, but it could definitely get to you guys faster if you live in the States, depending, I am told. So I don't know, but yeah, that's how long it took to get to me. Today we're gonna do glueless install as always, but we're gonna be using the bold hold and the ebon spray. Anytime you see me using both of those together, that's because I want the wig to really be, you know, laid down and not lift up afterwards. So that's what we're doing. You can use one or the other, it really doesn't matter. They're both really good products and I love both of them equally. Maybe I like the ebon spray a little bit more. It's just easier to work with. It dries so quickly. The bold hold does dry fast, but it dries fast with a blow dryer. Ebon spray, as soon as you put that thing down, it starts to dry. So I really love that. Right now we're just removing some lace from the hairline and around the ears. That is really important because you don't want your ear tab being like tucked underneath the lace. One, it's not going to look natural, and two, it's just not going to feel natural. Now you guys, for the baby hairs, this is my traditional style of baby hairs. We usually do two, you know, kind of where my eyebrow arches depending on the day because that changes daily. But for this install, that's where we're putting them. That's kind of how I gauge where to start the baby hairs on the sides there. The rest is pretty straightforward. I'm gonna leave you be, enjoy the music in the background, and we're gonna catch you at the end of the video where I give my final thoughts. That looks really good. It's looking really nice. So guys, I did not pluck this unit whatsoever. This is how the wig came. So I am noticing quite a bit of flyaways around the top, but it's nothing that we can't fix. So I think I applied a bit too much lace tint right here. So basically what I'm trying to do is just remove it with the hairspray. Because it has alcohol in it, it will take it out all the way. The part is looking pretty good, but I think we can do a little bit better, so I will go in with some of my powder to really define it. Then go in and clean up the mess. For me personally, Brazilian texture hair is very lightweight and it tends to dry faster. Bleached knots, washed her, installed her the same day. The wig is very beautiful. Like, it has beautiful shine, like it is very healthy, nice deep parting space, HD lace. Like, it is a gorgeous wig. The only thing I would say I would want to improve is really the density. It is running on the thin side, like towards the ends, but it's still really cute. This wig might be the perfect wig for some of you girls, but for me, girl, I need a more hair than this. I would say go full density. I feel like it's super silky. Like, I literally can't stop running my hands through it. So the silkiness is definitely a 10. It's very healthy looking hair. It's just so beautiful. It's just the density for me. So guys, that is my final thoughts on this unit. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. I would actually love to hear your comments about what you guys think of this install. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.